quick AI answers for Zendesk Agent Workspace, or how to 2x your productivity in Zendesk. This is part of the Agent Copilot upgrade, and we have yet another feature that is being rolled out. It's still in early access program, and since you guys like it when I share my screen, if you can see my screen right now, I am in Zendesk. I'm just going to open up a ticket to show you what it's all about. So let me just grab this ticket right here. So very quickly, for those of you who might be here for the first time, so this is here on the left hand side, you have fields, ticket fields that are in a form in Zendesk, and then in the middle you have the conversation, and on the right hand side you have the knowledge, the user profile, you have the integration, site conversations, and a bunch of other things which I'm not going to get into, but you have knowledge here. So in the knowledge, what you can do as an agent, so now I'm an agent, right? And I don't know how to solve this case, and I'm like, I don't know what to do. So this customer is asking about a credit card, and I'm just going to assume that I have articles in my knowledge base, so private articles or public articles, it doesn't really matter. As an agent, I don't know how to help this person, so I'm just going to search with the best use of my words, which is, plain English, if you will. I'm just going to go to the search here, and I'm going to say, how does one open up a credit card account? Oh my God, I typed this really well. I usually don't type this well. The AI uses an LLM, so large language model from OpenAI, and it takes my keywords, it goes into my knowledge base, into my guide, into my frequently asked questions. It scans that, it sees whatever I have in there, and it cooks up an answer for me, and it gives it back to me on a tray. So I can show more to open up a credit card, assess your financial needs, research options, check your credit score, gather Already, this is giving me a bunch of information that I can use directly with the customer. So look, this is also telling me where this is coming from. It's coming from this article, which I can easily access right now. I can teach it if this is helpful or not, so it understands maybe to not use it in the future or to use it again. I can copy this, just take it from here, copy the conversation, and it just pastes it into my conversation box here. So what can I say about this thing? Well, another feature that is going to skyrocket productivity for agents. Even if you are a dum-dum, you can figure out a way to do things if you understand how AI works, if you have a bit of training on that. And because most people are not dum-dums, this is just, it's just like a gift. It looks amazing. It's almost like it's too good to be true. And if usually when it is too good to be true, it is. But I digress. AI is taking us by storm. And this is another feature which makes the Agent Copilot in Zendesk worth it, and because it just saves so much time for agents, and you get to do so much work with less people hired. Yes, you pay a higher price for the license, but you get, 50% increase in productivity for agents. So instead of having 100 people, you can do the work with 50, 60 people. So imagine that. That's amazing. I think this is amazing. Now, I think I've mentioned that this is EAP, so early access, so it's not available to the general public, but you can apply to it. I will leave a link in the description so you can apply too. Okay, so this has been the update on, the new thing that appeared in AI in Zendesk this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Save time, save money with this, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.